Hello, everyone, and welcome to our English practice lesson. I am Mr. Only, and I am very happy to help you learn today. Today, we are learning how to talk to a doctor in English. Many people feel nervous at the hospital because they cannot explain their pain. Sarah and I will show you how to be clear and honest using simple sentences. You do not need big medical words to be understood. Please listen carefully as we practice together.
Hello, everyone. I am Sara. Today, we're going to imagine a visit to the clinic. I will play the patient, and Mr. Only will be the doctor. We will use simple, daily English so you can feel comfortable in real situations. Please practice these sentences out loud with us. It is very important to use your voice. Mr. Only and I will speak slowly so you can follow every word. Now, let us start our conversation and learn how to describe symptoms clearly.
Hello, Sarah. How are you feeling today? You look a little bit tired.
Hello, Mr. Only. I do not feel very well today. I have a problem with my head.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that, Sarah. Does your head hurt very much?
Yes, Mr. Only. My head hurts a lot. It is a very strong pain behind my eyes.
I see, Sarah. When did this headache start? Did it start this morning?
No, Mr. Only. It started yesterday evening after I finished my work.
That sounds difficult, Sarah. Do you have any other symptoms? For example, do you have a fever?
I do not think I have a fever, Mr. Only. But let me check. My skin feels a bit hot.
Okay, Sarah. Please use the thermometer. We need to know your temperature.
Yes, Mr. Only. I will check it now. While I check, can I ask you something?
Of course, Sarah. You can ask me anything about your health.
Mr. Only, what should I say if my stomach hurts instead of my head?
That is a good question, Sarah. You can say, I have a stomach ache, or my stomach is upset.
I understand, Mr. Only. My temperature is 38 degrees. Is that high?
Yes, Sarah, that is a mild fever. You should rest and drink a lot of water.
Thank you, Mr. Only. Should I take any medicine for this pain and fever?
You can take some simple medicine, Sarah, but you must ask a doctor first.
You are right, Mr. Only. I will go to the clinic if I do not feel better tomorrow.
That is a good plan, Sarah. Do you feel dizzy when you stand up?
Yes, Mr. Only. I feel a little bit dizzy when I walk across the room.
Please sit down then, Sarah. You must not walk too much if you feel dizzy.
I will sit down, Mr. Only. My throat also feels a little bit sore today.
Oh, a sore throat as well? Sarah, do you have a cough or a runny nose?
I have a small cough, Mr. Only, but my nose is fine. It is not runny.
It sounds like you have a cold, Sarah. You need plenty of sleep and warm soup.
I like warm soup, Mr. Only. It makes me feel much better.
I'm glad to hear that, Sarah. Did you eat anything strange yesterday?
No, Mr. Only. I ate normal food. I had rice and vegetables for dinner.
Okay, so the stomach is not the main problem. It is the head and throat.
Yes, Mr. Only. The headache is the worst part. It makes it hard to sleep.
I understand, Sarah. Sleep is very important for your body to heal.
Mr. Only, how do I tell the doctor if the pain is sharp or dull?
You can use those exact words, Sarah. You can say, I have a sharp pain here.
That is simple, Mr. Only. Can I also say, the pain comes and goes?
Yes, Sarah, that is a perfect English sentence. The pain comes and goes.
Thank you, Mr. Only. You are making these English words very easy for me.
I'm happy to help, Sarah. Let us practice another situation. Imagine you hurt your arm.
Okay, Mr. Only. Mr. Only, my arm is very sore. I think I fell down.
I'm sorry, Sarah. Where exactly does it hurt? Is it your elbow or your wrist?
It is my wrist, Mr. Only. It is a bit swollen and it looks red.
I see the swelling, Sarah. Can you move your fingers?
Yes, Mr. Only, I can move my fingers, but it hurts when I move my hand.
You should put some ice on it, Sarah. Ice helps with the swelling.
That is a great idea, Mr. Only. I will put an ice pack on my wrist right now.
Good, Sarah. If the pain stays the same, we might need an x-ray.
An x-ray sounds serious, Mr. Only. I hope my wrist is not broken.
I hope so too, Sarah. But we must be careful with our bodies.
I agree, Mr. Only. Health is the most important thing we have.
It really is, Sarah. Now, let us talk about how to describe a cough.
Okay, Mr. Only. Sometimes my cough is very dry. Is that a word I can use?
Yes, Sarah. You can say, I have a dry cough, or I have a chesty cough.
What does a chesty cough mean, Mr. Only? I have not heard that before.
A chesty cough, Sarah, is when you have mucus or phlegm in your chest.
Oh, I understand now, Mr. Only. That is a very useful word to know.
I'm glad you think so, Sarah. It helps the doctor give you the right medicine.
Mr. Only, what if I have an allergy? How do I explain that in English?
You can say, I am allergic to peanuts, or I am allergic to dust, Sarah.
My eyes get very itchy in the springtime, Mr. Only. Is that an allergy?
Yes, Sarah. That sounds like a seasonal allergy. Your eyes get red and itchy.
Yes, Mr. Own, they do. And I sneeze a lot. I sneeze 5 or 6 times.
We call that a sneezing fit, Sarah. It's very common when there is pollen.
You know so many words, Mr. Only. Thank you for teaching them to me.
It is my pleasure, Sarah. Let us practice one more time. Tell me about your cold.
Well, Mr. Only, I have a blocked nose and I cannot breathe very well.
That is uncomfortable, Sarah. Do you have a sore throat as well?
Yes, Mr. Only. It hurts when I swallow my food or even some water.
You should drink warm water with honey, Sarah. It soothes the throat.
I will try that, Mr. Only. My mother always tells me to do that.
Your mother is very wise, Sarah. Mothers usually know the best remedies.
They really do, Mr. Only. I feel better just talking to you about this.
That is the power of communication, Sarah. English helps us connect.
It really does, Mr. Only. Now I feel ready to visit any doctor.
Sarah, what if you feel a pain in your chest? That is very important.
Mr. Only, I have a tight feeling in my chest. It's hard to take a deep breath.
That is a serious symptom, Sarah. You must tell the doctor immediately.
I will. I will say, my chest feels heavy and tight.
Very good, Sarah. It is always better to say too much than too little.
I agree, Mr. Only. I want the doctor to have all the information.
That is the best way to get the right treatment, Sarah.
Now I will explain some of the sentences we used. When I said, my head hurts, I used the word hurt. This is a very simple way to talk about pain. You can say, my leg hurts, my back hurts, or my hand hurts. Mr. Only asked me when the pain started. This is a very common question from a doctor. You should be ready to say, it started yesterday, or it started 2 days ago. Let us try another small dialogue. Mr. Only, I have a pain in my back.
I am sorry, Sara. Is it a sharp pain or a dull pain?
It is a dull pain, Mr. Only. It feels like a heavy weight on my back.
How long have you had this back pain, Sara?
I have had it for 1 week, Mr. Only. It is worse when I sit down.
In this dialogue, I explained how the pain feels. Using words like sharp or dull helps the doctor. Let us try a situation at the pharmacy.
Excuse me, Mr. Only. I need some medicine for a cough.
Of course, Sara. Is it a dry cough or a chesty cough?
It is a dry cough, Mr. Only. I also have a little bit of a sore throat.
Here is some cough syrup, Sara. Take 2 spoons every 4 hours.
Thank you, Mr. Only. Does this medicine make me feel sleepy?
Yes, Sara. It might make you feel a bit drowsy. Do not drive a car.
Drowsy is a good word, Mr. Only. It means feeling a little bit like you want to sleep.
Exactly, Sara. Now let us practice talking about a child who is sick.
Mr. Only, my daughter has a very high fever and she is crying.
I am sorry to hear that, Sara. Did you check her temperature with a thermometer?
Yes, Mr. Only. It is 39 degrees. She also has a red rash on her arm.
A rash is a change in the skin, Sara. Is the rash itchy for her?
Yes, Mr. Only. She is scratching it all the time. What should I do?
You must take her to the doctor immediately, Sara. A high fever and a rash need a doctor.
Thank you, Mr. Only. I will call the clinic right now.
That is the right thing to do, Sara. Remember to tell the doctor when the rash started.
I will remember, Mr. Only. I will say the rash started 2 hours ago.
Very good, Sara. You are learning very fast. Let us try one more about an injury.
Mr. Only, I burned my hand while I was cooking dinner.
Oh no, Sara. Is it a big burn or a small burn?
It is a small burn on my finger, Mr. Only, but it has a blister.
A blister is a small bubble on the skin, Sara. Do not pop the blister.
I will not pop it, Mr. Only. Should I put cold water on the burn?
Yes, Sara. Run cold water over the burn for 10 minutes.
That feels much better, Mr. Only. Thank you for the advice.
You are welcome, Sara. These simple phrases are very important for your life. If you have an earache, say, my ear hurts. If you have a toothache, say, my tooth hurts. Sara, can you tell the students what to say if they feel like they might vomit?
Yes, Mr. Only. You can say, I feel sick, or I feel like I'm going to throw up.
Both are very good, Sara. Throw up is a very common way to say vomit.
I will remember that, Mr. Only. I feel sick is very simple and easy to say.
You are right, Sara. Simple is always better when you do not feel well.
Mr. Only, what if I have a cut on my leg?
You can say, I have a cut on my leg and it is bleeding.
Should I say if the cut is deep, Mr. Only?
Yes, Sara. Say, it is a deep cut. This tells the doctor you might need stitches.
Stitches are the small threads they use to close a cut, right, Mr. Only?
Exactly, Sara. You are very smart. We have reached the end of our lesson today. Sara, you did a wonderful job explaining your symptoms. I am very proud of how you used the names Mr. Only and Sara throughout our talk.
Thank you, Mr. Only. I feel much more confident now. I hope our students feel confident too. We practiced many different situations today.
I am sure they do, Sara. Remember, English is a tool to help you stay healthy and safe. Do not be afraid to use it.
Yes, Mr. Only. Do not be afraid to speak slowly. Doctors are there to help you. It is okay to ask them to repeat a sentence.
That is correct, Sara. If you do not understand the doctor, you can say, please say that again slowly.
Or you can say, I am sorry. I do not understand that word, Mr. Only.
Exactly. Communication is the key to good health. We are very happy to help you on this journey.
Thank you for listening to us today. We hope you enjoyed this practice.
Keep practicing every day. We will see you in the next lesson. Goodbye, Sara.
Goodbye, Mr. Only. Goodbye, everyone. Stay healthy and keep learning.